Mercurial is an adjective that describes someone who is unpredictable, especially when it comes to emotions or behavior. Picture a friend who's super excited 1 minute and then, out of nowhere, becomes upset without much of an explanation. That's a classic example of someone who is mercurial. But it's not just limited to people. You can use mercurial to describe situations too. Imagine the weather suddenly changing from sunny skies to stormy winds in a matter of minutes. You could say the weather has been really mercurial today. Think of mercurial in terms of its synonyms: capricious, volatile, unpredictable, and fickle. Now, here's something cool about the word mercurial. It comes from Roman mythology. The word is derived from Mercury, the Roman god known for his speed and cunning. Mercury, often shown with winged sandals, was known for moving quickly between the divine and mortal worlds. Because of his fast and unpredictable nature, we use mercurial to describe anything that's quick to change or hard to predict. Let's quickly cover different forms of the word. Mercurial is most commonly used as an adjective to describe someone or something that's unpredictable. While there isn't a widely used noun form, you might occasionally hear mercurialness, which refers to the quality of being mercurial. And as for a verb form, there isn't one. Let's see some examples now. Her mercurial temperament makes it difficult to predict her reaction to any news. This sentence captures how someone's emotions can swing wildly. The stock market has been particularly mercurial this year, with rapid ups and downs. If you follow stock market, you know how it quickly changes. One day it's soaring, and next day it's crashing. This kind of instability is exactly what mercurial describes: a market that's constantly shifting without warning. The debate team's success was hindered by their leaders' mercurial strategies. To summarize, mercurial is an adjective that describes someone or something prone to sudden or unpredictable changes. Whether you're talking about a person, the weather, or even a team's strategy, mercurial is the perfect word to capture the sense of unpredictability. Just remember, mercurial is most commonly used as an adjective. While you might occasionally hear the noun mercurialness, it's pretty rare, and there's no verb form for this word.